We are in automotive, oil and gas, aerospace, business excellence. Reva Phoenix provides total quality solution to the management systems for oil and gas industry. We offer one-stop solution for the API certification and the API Monogram Programs. We provide complete package of training, consultation and implementation. Our services: Level 1 to Level 4 documents, API quality manuals, API documented procedures, SOP, work instruction, process procedures, forms and formats. Apart from the above, we also provide customized API monogram specific design packages, special process, welding documentation, special process, NDE packages, ASNT/SNTTC1A approved Level 03 procedures, special process, heat treatment documentation, special process, coating, plating related documentation. We also provide API certified courses, internal auditor course, API Spec Q1, internal auditor course, API Spec Q2, practitioner course, API Spec Q1, with supply chain management requirements, practitioner course, API Spec Q1, with addendum 2 requirements, practitioner course, API Spec Q2, with service quality plan requirements, lead auditor course, ISO 9001:2015 and API Spec Q1 requirements, lead auditor course, ISO 9001:2015 and API Spec Q2 requirements, design package training, API monogram specific requirements, API product audit training. Audit services for API certification such as API Spec Q1, API Spec Q2, API product monogram license, supplier audits, second-party and third-party audit, self-assessment before API audits, second-party audits, customer audits, second-party and third-party audits, design package audits, design verification services, design validation services, PR2F testing of API products, third-party inspection service to PR2F testing, supply chain audits, special process audits, welding, NDE, heat treatment, coating, plating etc. API Spec Q1, 9th edition. Reva Phoenix conducts API QMS Lead Auditor and Internal Auditor Workshop-based training session for API standards and certifications. The training program provides both technical knowledge and practical skills essential to become a competent API internal auditor. Awareness, documentation and auditors training seminars are designed to provide a basic understanding of quality management system, QMS, based on ISO 9001, and API Spec Q1 standard. API Spec Q2, 2nd edition. Quality Management System Requirements for Service Supply Organizations for the Petroleum and Natural Gas Industries. API Spec Q1 and Q2 training. We also offer custom-made modules to suit client requirements. API Spec Q1 Lead Auditor Training, API Spec Q1 Internal Auditor Training, API Spec Q2 Internal Auditor Training, API Spec Q1 Awareness Training, API Spec Q2 Awareness Training, API Monogram Programs, Design Package Preparation for API Monograms, ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015, ISO 45001:2018, API Quality Management System, Total Quality Management, Total Productive Maintenance, Lean Manufacturing, Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma, Integrated Management Systems, Internal Auditor Training for IMS,